Hi friends, welcome to Taming Python series. In this video, we're going to talk about how to inject HTML into Python folium maps. So at the end of this video, you'll get to know how to inject HTML like this onto a folium Python map. So this is an interactive example here. If you inject HTML onto folium Python maps, basically you can have HTML content over your map. So in this example, I've got a h5 and a button over here. You can inject HTML to achieve effects like a simple legend on a map or some complicated user interface like filling forms and showing hyperlinks, etc. So injecting HTML onto a folium Python map is really easy. You just have to call this line over your map object. That's all. You are doing the get root to get the HTML and .html and .add child. So basically what you do is map object get root html.add child, and here you create a folium.element, and in that you write your arbitrary HTML which you want to show on a folium Python map. So let's get started with coding here. So I'm going to take a blank folder. I'm going to open it with VS Code. So I'm going to create a new file. I'll just name it index.py. So let's start by importing folium. So I'll just write import folium, and now let's create a map object so that we can inject HTML into it. So a simple map object you can create like folium.map, and here you can give the center. You can write location equal to and give the center of the map, and then write zoom start so that you can give the initial zoom of the map. So let me take the center location from my example here. I'll just take this as the center location. I'll just copy and paste it here. So now I've initialized my folium map with a desired center location and with a desired zoom level. So now let me try to inject HTML into this map object. So how can I do that is I'll just write map object dot get root. I'll just call that method and write HTML, and then I'll write add child, and here I'm going to add a folium element. So I'll just write folium dot element. So here I can write whatever HTML which I want to inject onto this folium map. So I'll just create a string here. I'll just write, and at the end I'm going to save this map object as a file. So I'll just write map object dot save, and I'm going to write a simple file name, write output.html, so that my output will be saved in a file called output.html in the same directory. So for this example, let me draw a simple div with some text and a button inside it. So I'll just write a div here, simple HTML div. I'll just write a div, and here I'm going to write some buttons and some text. So I'll just write some small text like h5, and here I'm going to write some hello world, and then I'm going to write a button here. Alright, so now I've got a map object and I've injected HTML into it, and I'm saving it as an output.html file. So let me run and see how it looks like. Program has run, and you can see I've created a file called output.html. So let's open this and open this output.html file, and here you can see I've got a div, and here I got hello world and click me. But the problem here is the div has not got styling, and you can see when I see the developer tools and I see where the div is, my Python folium library has injected the div just above this map div. So what's happening here is we are injecting a div into the HTML of this output.html. So if you want to make this div float over this map object or this map div, it's really simple. You just give the position fixed, and you can mention the margins. So that I'll do here, create the style of this div. I'll just write style equal to, and here I'm going to write position fixed, and the left and right margins, I'll just write the left margin as 70 pixel, and I'm going to write the top margin as something like 150 pixel, and then I'm gonna give the width and height also. So I'll just write the width and height here. Let me give some background color also, and let me save and run this. So hey, here you can see my div is positioned at the desired location, but you can see the div is not showing on this map because by default the map will be on top, and so in order to make your div on top of your map, you have to give the z index here. So I'll just write the z index also in the style. I'll just write z index and give it something like 900. I'll just give z index 900, and let me save it and run this again, and let me reload this again, and here you can see our injected HTML is now overlaid on our map. So for my example, I have used the trick of using the position fixed and it's not mandatory you have to use this trick. You can use any of your CSS styling or JavaScript styling to inject HTML. So the bottom line is basically, if you inject HTML on a folium map, you will get a element above your map, and you can capitalize this to create content over the map which is not tied to map, but it's a HTML content over the map. So that's it guys. Just by a single line of code, you can inject your HTML content on your folium map. You can see I've created a blog post on injecting HTML onto Python folium maps. You can see I've even given you the source code so that you can copy paste and practice it in your own desktop. Just like I inserted a div onto this map, you can even insert a HTML tag like style also. So if you want to add extra styling to your map, or if you want to override the default leaflet styles, you can do that by injecting style tag into your HTML by using this method. And one more thing you got to remember is set the Z index to a high value, like at least 900, so that your div will be on top of your map. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you for watching.